Heart of Faisalabad, the historic clock tower to the vibrant academic environment of GC University. This city represents knowledge, ambition, and opportunity. It's all stand EdMine, your study abroad mentors, a place dedicated to guiding students toward a brighter global future. At our reception, every visitor is welcomed with warmth, respect, and instant guidance, ensuring a smooth beginning to their study abroad journey. Modern auditorium, a space for seminars, training, orientation, and students' engagement session where learning and inspiration come together. Processing department. Our experienced team carefully prepares each application, ensuring accuracy and strong visa success for every student. Admin department manage day-to-day operations, discipline and coordination, keep everything organized and efficient. At Mind Studio, we create informative videos, interview guidance, and high quality training content, capturing every voice and every moment with purpose. Finance and Marketing Department ensure transparency, planning, and strategic growth. It minds brand and strengthen our global partnership. CEO office is a center of leadership and vision where strategic decisions are made and future pathways are planned, and where every initiative focuses on student success with strong leadership and a commitment to excellence. EdMine continues to stand among Pakistan's most trusted study abroad institutions. Thank you for visiting EdMine. We look forward to shaping your future with you.